Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Rongxing Hakka Opera Troupe is committed to the promotion of Hakka theater. In 1997, they began the Hakka Opera Training Program. Several Hakka dramas have been produced, with some performed in the National Theater. In 2007, the troupe released its Luo Fangbo Legend DVD, which was nominated for the Best Opera Album category in the Golden Melody Awards.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。And last year I actually had a chance to see some of these Hakka performances. 其實去年呢，我有機會看到一個客家的一個表演啊，阿弟姑啊。
哦，我知道，嘿，阿弟姑，
阿弟姑，哎，你知道哈？Oh wow, Leo was actually auditioning for this performance that I saw last year. It's called 阿弟姑, and it's for kids really, and it's a really fun show. And I'm wondering maybe Leo can introduce to me to some other performance troupes here in Taiwan, so I can go see them this year. 想說今年呢，介紹一些其他的這個戲劇跟這個劇團呢，讓我今年也可以去看這樣子。
好，我現在介紹這個呢，在台灣也是很有名哦。
OK，
它就是永興客家菜茶劇團。
永興客家菜茶劇團，劇團是劇團。Okay, so 劇團 means a performance troupe.
它是榮興客家菜茶劇團。
菜茶劇團 Yeah, I heard that. That is the 榮興客家 Opera Troupe. Yes, they're pretty well known. 他們其實表演過很多很多的戲劇嘛，哈。
對啊，而且他們還進過兩廳院表演哦。
對，而且我還記得他們好像得過金曲獎還是什麼獎吧，對不對？
對，在2007年的時候，他們有發行那個《羅房北傳奇》的 DVD， 還入圍了金曲獎的最佳戲曲曲藝專輯獎，好長的名字，
好長的名字哦，但是聽起來呢很值得去看的一個劇，對不對？你說那個什麼傳奇是不是？叫做什麼？
那個 DVD 的名詞叫做《羅房北傳奇》。
羅房北傳奇 ，OK，
就是羅芳伯傳奇。
哦，這是一個羅芳伯的故事就對了。Okay, so this troupe released a DVD that was nominated in the Golden Melody Awards for Best Opera Album category, and it's really worth seeing. And they have also performed at the National Theater in the past too. So again, check out the 榮興客家 Opera Troupe. They released called the 羅芳伯 Legend.
羅芳伯傳奇。
羅芳伯傳奇. Again, a very award-winning team right here. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.